Dr. Stu here to talk to you about home remedies for COVID-19. So let's get to today's question. Today's question comes from Josh. Josh writes, what at-home remedies are working for this virus? I heard that Mucinex doesn't help because there isn't a lot of mucus involved and that steam can actually make it worse. Please help clear up all the internet noise. Great question, Josh. So let's talk about home remedies. So there's a couple of things that people feel when they get COVID-19 and they're home. Right, so let's go through what the common symptoms are that people are feeling and what some of the remedies are. So one of the common things is actually a sore throat and fever. That can be taken care of by an anti-fever medicine and a pain medication. Right? Now, there's been some internet discussion about whether Motrin or ibuprofen, which is Motrin or Advil, or ibuprofen, which is the chemical name, is as good as Tylenol, or if you're from Europe, paracetamol. Although the French Ministry of Health put out a report saying that ibuprofen might have made this virus symptoms worse, in effect, actually here in the United States, there's been no evidence to show that taking ibuprofen versus taking Tylenol, one is any better than the other one, or one makes things worse than the other one. So you can take Advil or Motrin or Tylenol for fever and any of aches and pains that go along with that. You're correct in your comment in the question. I mean, most people don't have a lot of mucus. It's more of a dry cough, so that if you don't have if it's not a moist cough, taking a medication like Mucinex may not do very much because you don't need to break up a lot of phlegm. Now, if you want to try taking an anti-cough medicine, there's lots of them. Like, for example, I don't recommend anyone particularly, but one with guaifenesin and dextromethorphan in it, like Robitussin. Guaifenesin is not going to do too much. The dextromethorphan may help you slow down your coughing a little bit. That could help you. As far as steam, does steam make it worse or better? Warm, steamy environments does not seem to affect the virus. I can't think of a reason why breathing in steam to clear your sinuses or whatever is going on would affect the virus in any way whatsoever. As far as the symptoms go, some people are reporting that they lose their sense of smell and taste. Unfortunately, there's not too much we can do about that. The good news is most people get their smell back eventually. Thanks for asking those important questions. If you have a question, please go to our website, www.drstu.org. It's Dr. Stu, spelled out DoctorStu.org. We'll answer your questions. Please subscribe to our channel. And thanks so much. Send in those questions. See you tomorrow.